It's much easier. It's much easier to send it out to everyone all at once than to do it individually. So that is why I do it. All right. So let's begin, guys. It's now 7 o'clock.
Excuse me, sir.
What group are you talking about?
The WhatsApp group. I created a WhatsApp group for my students. You're new. Just tell mom if you text me about it, and I will send her the link.
The WhatsApp group.
You're not in it either, Jonathan?
No, sir, I'm just asking if I'm in it.
Okay. All right. Tell you what, guys. Persons who are not in it, you can just shoot me a WhatsApp and I will send you the link and you just add yourself. All right? After class.
Excuse me, sir. After you show this one, you can show the math one, please.
Which math one? We already looked at it, you know. So by the time we look at this 20, time will be up for today. In the earlier group, we completed this part and we were able to do 2 math. So let's see if we can go to that. All right, let's go, guys. The first part is very easy. Yeah, Jeremiah.
Sir, on my mommy's phone, I'm in the group. On my phone, I'm not in the group, sir.
Yeah, man, we start out the group thing after. So just send me whichever number you want to be added to it. Just send me, all right? But we're not gonna use the class time for talk about. But just shoot me a text, and I will just add those who are not added, because everyone should, all right? And I will just, after which everybody adds themselves,
in the group.
I will just do that. So we don't talk about that now, all right? Let's go. So it says, guys, and this is what I was saying to the earlier group. The heading is critical. You must read the heading. Do not just go straight to the question like smoke is to fire as cloud. Read the question carefully, the heading, everything. All right?
Sir.
The
number 2, it should have been like puppies is to dogs as dogs, whatever. Something like that.
So the Janty, why you going to number 2? We're at 1. We could do it step by step. All right, let's go, guys. So it says for item 1 to 4, select the word that best complete each statement. And by the way, guys, this is a real exam. So it's not, this was an exam that students did, 2019, all right? So you guys can have an idea of how it's set up. So smoke is to fire as cloud is to?
Rain.
Yeah, correct. So you see, guys, it's not so bad. It's not so bad, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because the smoke comes from the fire and the rain comes from the clouds.
Correct. All right. 2 says dog is to puppies as blank is to
cat is to kittens.
Cat.
All right.
Cat.
You have to know those things, right? Very good.
They're asking for the offsprings of those 2 animals, dog and cat.
Yeah.
Sir, it should have been like puppies to dogs because
Hold on. It said dog is to puppies as, yeah, it's correct. If they are,
but you have to go from a puppy to an adolescent dog.
Sir, should we write it off?
No clue. Don't write it down.
Sir, you have to go
from guys. I'm gonna send
you have to go from a puppy to
you don't
adolescent.
need to write off anything, yeah? That's gonna take up too much time.
Sir?
That's not efficient.
You have to go from a puppy to an adolescent dog and from a cat to a...
Yeah, but that's not the objective.
Adolescent.
That's not the objective, you know. They are just associating
from dogs
with the babies. So sometimes don't overread it, guys. They are just associating with the mother with the children. So nothing is wrong with it. Dog is to puppies as cat is to kittens. Don't have to be puppies is to dog as. That means kittens go here to cat. It's correct, man. Nothing is wrong with it. All right. Number 3 says whisper is to shout as sleep.
As sleep is to awake.
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 Sleep is
Yeah,
awake.
this one is opposite, right? You
Sir, is the
whisper.
opposite.
Yeah.
Sir.
So guys, we must know synonyms different from antonyms.
It's an antonym. It's an antonym.
So synonyms, when they are the same, antonyms opposite, basically. All right. So whisper is to shout, as sleep is to awake. So if you are not asleep, you are awake. If you are not whispering, chances are you're shouting. All right. Four.
Oh, no, bullshit.
Dijante, calm down, man. All right. I know you guys get excited, you know, but guys, we want it to be a learning environment.
P-A-R.
All right. 4. Hot is to cold, as far is to.
Near.
Guys, please remember to join with your name. That is correct.
Near. Still an antonym for not far, you're near.
Yeah, correct. So you have to know opposite.
No, the synonym for near is close.
For item 5 to 6, select.
Yeah. That's what I want you to read. So for items 5 and 6, select the word that is a necessary component of the word.
Bread.
Bold.
Bread.
Then we have sandwich.
You have meat sandwich. You can have tomato. If you don't have bread, it's not a sandwich.
Guys, say it one time.
Bread.
First one is bread, sir, because without
Bread.
bread, you can't put
Bread.
for the tomato, sir.
All right, correct. So as I say, it's necessary, right?
Yes, sir. You can have
Someone
tomato.
was suggesting meat earlier in the other
But
class,
without
but
bread,
then we
you
said
have no
that you
sandwich.
can have like a something the sandwich, right?
Meat
You can have
sandwich.
like a cheese sandwich or vegetable sandwich. There are so many different types of sandwich. All right, the next word is house, and we have balcony, kitchen, roof, stairway.
Roof. Without the roof, it's not a house.
There's always a roof at home.
Yeah, so roof is necessary, right? Because you can't have it without the top. Good job. So you see, guys, it's not so bad. They give you some easy ones, and then it gradually gets a little bit more challenging. But it's not really rocket science. You just have to be really careful and answer what they ask you. All right. This one says for item. Why this thing keep coming on? For item 7 to 9, select the word that does not belong in the group. We have microwave.
Television. Because everything else has
Television.
Television, because everything else is in the
It's
kitchen.
in the kitchen.
All right, I agree. Good job.
What is
So notice they said the odd word out, right? So that's a bit television. All right, we have orange, pineapple, mango, carrot.
Because the rest of them
Carrot.
Carrot is a vegetable.
Carrot is a healthy food.
But guys, suppose they wanted, suppose it was color. Suppose they must say everything is yellow,
Yellow.
except for pineapple.
Orange.
You ever think about that?
Is it yellow? Orange isn't yellow.
Orange is
Orange.
Orange is orange.
Really?
Why is orange orange?
Because that's the color. That's how it bears green, but then when it's ripe, it's orange.
I say it's yellow. All right, number 9, passengers, stadium, spectators, customers.
Stadium.
All of these are people, right?
People.
Yeah, while this one is a building. Very
That's
good.
a place.
So that one is
Stadium.
the odd one out. So guys, remember the heading is very important, right? So they said the odd one out. So in that case, that would be the odd one out. All right. All right. I want.
Sir, can I read?
I want 2 volunteers. Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yes,
Ian,
sir.
hold on, guys. Ian is gonna stop
Can I
right
go?
here.
Can
Who else
CP
wants?
go?
Can I go
Jonathan,
second?
sir. Jonathan.
All right. So Jonathan Briggs. This is Jonathan. So, but there are more reading, so you will get a chance. So Briggs. Briggs,
So
you
next
get a
reading,
chance.
can Sydney go?
Sir,
Briggs.
which one am I supposed to do?
Yeah, and you're gonna start from B and end at I at the end. You're gonna end here. You're gonna
Okay, sir.
start at the first green monkey and you end here, and then Jonathan will take it up from here to the end. Sydney,
But
I will give you a
sir,
chance. More reading in there. We looked at it today, so you will get
okay,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Sir, which one am I supposed to do? Because you're kind of breaking up.
Really? Jonathan,
Yes, sir.
Ian is gonna start from here.
The first green monkey.
And then Jonathan. Because you're the first person to volunteer, right? So Jonathan will start from the mongoose, while you will start from the first green monkey. All right. So the others, just give them the floor and let them read. Go ahead, Ian.
Read the passage carefully, then answer item 10 and 11. The first green monkeys was brought from Africa to Barbados more than 300 years ago. Now, monkeys are in danger because of men. The monkeys often attack fruit trees and birds, so the farmers shoot them. Also, there are less and less woodland on the island because it is being cleared for building. This means it is more difficult for the green monkeys to find places to live, so they move onto the farmlands.
All right. Very good. But you say all right here, so easy now. But it's an error still. But good job. Good job. Jonathan, your time. The mongoose.
The mongoose does more damage than monkey. It was brought to the island 100 years ago to kill rats which were damaging the sugar cane. Now that the rats are under control, the mongooses have started to kill other mammals, reptiles, and birds.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much. All right. So guys, remember they did say this passage is for 10 and 11 only. So let's see what number 10 says. It says blank. Let me go up. Blank means the same as
Fewer, sir.
under control.
Fewer.
Yeah.
Sir, fewer.
Yeah. So that would be
Fewer.
B. Very good. So fewer mean the same as under control. All right, let's look at 11. What is the writer most concerned about? So we could go back up to the passage. Is it the rats are in danger?
The monkeys in danger. The monkeys.
Monkeys are in danger.
The monkeys are in
danger.
The monkeys are in danger.
Is that quiet?
in danger. The monkeys are in danger.
Correct. Good job. Yeah. So if you look back at the passage, like when you have this, if you're not sure, so you read it and you read it again, all right? And then you can pick up what the passage is about or what the writer mainly conveying, all right? As noticed, they even started with it. The first green monkey was brought from Africa to Barbados more than 300 years ago. Now the monkeys are in danger because of men. So you see, the writer blaming men for it. The monkey often attack fruit trees and birds, so farmers shoot them. So you see, farmers shoot them with gun, guys. Also, there is less and less woodland. So basically, they are saying that the monkeys need the woodland for their natural habitat. So if you keep cutting down the trees and everything, you're naturally taking away the monkey hoof. Yeah, man, go ahead.
If we did get this, if we were doing a test and we would get this, what I would do was just highlight it. Well, not all of it, but the part that says now the monkeys are in danger because of men. I would highlight that.
Yeah. And you guys can, even if you don't have highlighter, you can underline it. So you can underline the main points when you read it. That's a very good point.
Every time I go to these kinds of exams, like PEP and stuff, I know they're going to ask questions like this based on my first PEP exam. So next time I go now, I'm going to bring my highlighters, my erasers, my pencils.
Yeah,
my
man, you can
markers.
do that. Carry all the tools that you're allowed, guys. Your ruler, your pencil, everything that is allowed.
And my geometry set.
Yeah, definitely. All right. So for that one is the monkeys are in danger. All right. For those who can bake, the picture below show the steps involved in baking a cake. Use it to answer item 12. What's the order, guys?
3,
3,
3,
3,
1,
1,
5,
1,
5,
4.
All right, one person. Ian.
Start
3,
1, 2, 5, 4.
Wait, Jenny, go again, Jenny. Wait, guys, one at a time. Jenny, go again.
3, 1, 2, 5, 4.
Sir,
All right.
for me,
Anybody have a different order from this one?
No, sir.
3, 4, 5, 4. No, sir.
Me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead. Give me your order.
3, 1, 2, 5, 4.
It's not the exact
The
same thing.
same one.
Yeah, it's the same thing. All right. So in order to bake a cake, we need the ingredients. So I agree that this would be one.
And then we have to mix it.
And then you have to mix
And then
them.
you mix it.
And then you
Put it
pour
in
it
the
in the
oven.
And then you
basin.
pour. So 3, 1, 2. And guess what? You have to put it in the oven first before you
You
can
cook and then you cut it. And
Yeah,
you cut
so
it,
it's
let
correct.
it cool and eat it.
Yeah. And she says Sydney bake cake. Yeah.
Oh.
So
Every
that
Christmas.
one
Every
would be
Christmas.
12. 12 would be A. All right. This one now, guys. Identify what comes next in the sequence. We have seed, plant, blossom.
Blossom branches.
The branches.
Why branches?
Branches.
Wait, Natalia,
Because
wait. We
it
want to
can't
hear
be
branches.
fruit because the
Oh,
fruit
it's
bears on
actually
the branches.
And they have the fruit. Just thinking about it.
Fruit.
It's actually
Branches,
not
sir.
branches.
Because without branches, fruit cannot
Fruit.
grow. They have to
So,
grow
sir,
on
you
the
put the seed in
branches.
the plant, and then it's gonna grow, and then it's the fruit.
It's actually fruits, guys. All right. We were debating this earlier. Yeah. So it's the seed, plant, blossom, and then fruit. All right. Let's move on to 14. Examine the word closely. Then place them in a logical sequence.
Sir, can I please do it?
Go ahead.
Coat, skin, leather, belt.
Ian, give the person who asks a chance, please. Queen Lisa, go ahead.
So first you have the cow, then you have the skin, because you get the skin from the cow. Then you have the leather, and then you get the belt.
All right. Everybody agree with that? She says cow.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
First you
you
need the cow,
have the
then
cow,
you have cotton skin,
and now the
leather,
cow
and after
skin
me
is
the
used
belt.
to make the leather and then the belt. So you just look for the order that cow is at the front. Cow, see there, only one of them. Cow is at the front. So it's kind of a giveaway, don't it? And you know you have to have the cow first. So yeah. So that would be C. All right. I think we already did this one. This one is the cake, so it repeats. I think by mistake.
Yes, sir. Same thing. When I got it the other day,
Yeah.
they're mixed
Sir,
up.
can I do this one?
Yeah, man, you can.
Sir, can Ian do this one? He asks.
Yeah, but somebody asked before you, yeah. Remember, say you get a chance to
sir.
read, so you can give them a chance like for them never go, alright? So go ahead.
The words in bold are from an artificial language. Beside each word is its meaning in English.
All right.
So the first one, I can't read it, means fill cup. The second one means blue cup. And the third one means landfill. And then it said, which word could mean fill bottle. So I have to find out which set of words right here at the top one will give you fill. If you look at the bottom one that also said landfill, it also starts with HIFON at the bottom one.
All right.
And at the top one, it starts with HIFON. So my conclusion is the HIFON means fill. So
right.
this is the only one with the HIFON. So I say A is the correct answer.
All right. Everybody agree?
Agree.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
correct. Correct.
Agree.
So you just need to identify, as you said, fill. And they give you the clues to it, right? They say HIFON slok means fill cup. That means the SLOK part is cup. And to prove it, they put it right here again. So they give you more than once. See there? That means the MERS, that is blue. You see it, guys? And for this one, the fill is at the same fill, HIFON is at the base. The last part, and is landfill. So that means this is definitely fill. Once you find fill, yeah, so it's the bottle could be the SLOCE, right? And to look at it, guys, they basically give you some of these already up here, so you can look into that. All right, so that is correct.
Sir?
We agree, Aiden. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, can I do the next one, please?
Number 16. All right.
Sir, can I do number 17, please?
Sir, can I do number 18?
All right. So go ahead now. 16 for item 6.
Yeah.
Everybody must read it, guys, and look into it.
Yesterday, I learned.
Yesterday I learned to.
Yesterday, I learned how to dash to make fried dumpling. Sir, the answer is need.
Bake.
KNEAD.
All right. So I'm hearing need and bake. Which of the need? Which of the need?
KNEAD. You don't bake flour to make fried dumpling. You have to knead it out. And it's not NEED, it's KNEAD.
So someone
If
would
you
say
make
bake.
it
Let
fried
us
dumpling,
explore
you have
if
to
it could
fry,
be
not
baked.
bake it.
So yesterday I learned how to bake flour to make fried dumpling. Would that be correct?
No, sir.
So if you're going to bake flour, you're basically making roast dumplings, which are not edible. They're tough.
It's actually need. Yeah. But you see, this could get out anybody also. But if you're going to bake it, you don't fry it, because it can't be baked and fried in one, right? So that's the clue.
No, sir.
Because they say fried
If you bake flour, you're getting
either it got to be baked
yes,
or fried, but it can't be both
tough
of
like
them.
a rock.
Remember,
Flour
number
can bake,
17.
Flour can bake, but as I said, it will be tough. But that's not the point.
You can bake in
It
cake,
can be
but
baked and
because
fried.
there will be cornmeal and other stuff in it in the flour,
Yeah, it's
to make a
either baked
dumpling,
or fried,
it's going to be tough.
but not both of them. All right. So that's the clue why it couldn't be baked. So if they wasn't fried, then it could have been baked. Yesterday I learned how to bake flour. Well, still that's on, but yeah, it's possible because you can bake flour, guys.
I remember one time I tried to make dumpling in the water, boil it out, and they were baking, they were roasting. And when I tried to eat it, they were tough like a rock.
Yeah. Clue, you're up now.
No, sir. Ask if I can.
Can I do number 18, sir?
Oh, it was Jonathan. I didn't know it was
Sir,
Jonathan.
I volunteer to do number 18.
Okay.
Can Briggs
bad.
do 19?
So Jonathan, you're up next. Oh, it actually stopped at 20, you know, guys, but we can go over.
Can I do 19, sir? Can Briggs do 19?
Actually, you would automatically do it because that's the reading. So you would do it anyway.
Oh,
All right,
yeah.
so Jonathan, you're up next.
Okay. So breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it keeps the brain dash and boost blood sugar levels. I would say the answer is A.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
So it says
What you guys say?
Say sharp.
Yes,
Sharp.
I said
Sharp.
I was C. C.
Yeah,
I think C.
it's C, guys. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it keeps the brain sharp and boosts blood sugar level. So that's why it's so important for us to have breakfast in the mornings, all right? So it's not to relax.
Yeah, because if you relax your brain for breakfast in the morning before you go to school, your brain wouldn't work. So you have to keep it sharp.
You'll be lazy forever.
Yeah, in order to learn, we need to keep it sharp. Not that you're not going to relax, you know, but it will be sharp in this case. As notice they say, and boost.
As what the other kids said, you would be lazy.
Yeah, technical. All right, let's look at 18.
Sir,
Clue.
Normally was given a dash of bamboo early for her birthday.
B. It's not A-P-E-E-R. It's not C.
Hold on, guys.
The
Give her
answer
a
will
chance.
be B.
Hold on, guys. Give Clue a chance first, and then we take the opinions if you disagree or agree. So, Clue, go again. Read it again, guys. Just give her a chance. Since you volunteered, give her a chance to do it, and then we can say if we agree or we disagree or why. Because you have to give the reason. Go ahead, choose your own answer, Clue, and then
Sir, I think the answer will be B.
P as in P-A-I-R, right?
Yes, sir. P-A-I-R.
Yes, sir. P-A-I-R.
Do we agree?
I agree.
I agree, sir.
I agree.
All right. Question.
I agree.
I agree.
What does this pair
I
mean?
agree. Yeah.
Anybody
The
know?
animal.
Animal? Which animal named Pierre?
No, sir. That's a mistake. It was the fruit.
This is
No.
this is the
No, the
fruit.
one in the P-A-R, the food.
All right. So which is this? Think about it. It's a group of persons,
Pierre.
and them always say people succumb to peer pressure.
They're in the next period, they're like Pier 1.
Yeah, we know. But this one is like, guys, like your friends and so. If I hear the talk
Set of
about
people,
peer
sir.
pressure,
Group up.
Sir, a set
this
of
one is
people.
like an age group. Your friends, your
Sir, like a set of
classmates.
people.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
What about this one? What does this actually mean? P-A-I-R.
P-A-I-R is to have a set.
It means a
Group,
group.
sir.
You have, when you got earrings, you get a pair, you get two.
They're like a Pier
One
of
for the left and one for the right.
Guys, you answer it by
Like a
giving
pair
it
of
back the same word. It means two.
I got a pair of glasses this morning.
We can't say like pair.
I got a
of
pair of
rabbits. We have
Air
to say two
Force
rabbits, right?
Ones.
As that's what it has
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
To have a pair, it means to have a set.
Of
Or
two.
a
For
group.
example,
Of
I got
two,
a pair
of
of
two.
earrings,
Specific, guys. It's two.
and this pair is a fruit.
Yeah, this one is
Not the Jamaican
That
pear.
people
The Jamaican
eat
pear is
avocado. Edible.
but it's the American pear.
The avocado.
Avocado.
They call it
yeah,
avocado.
we can
Super.
say that. What
Give me
about
that
this
egg.
one?
But only people in America call it that.
What about PARE?
No clue.
You know it, man. You know it, guys. Trust me, you know it.
What?
It's
To trim something, to trim.
Oh,
For
is
example, I'm going to
it the
pare off my hair. I'm going to pare off my edges.
I'm not playing.
the pear that you.
I'm going to pare some fabric.
Guys, they're giving me example, but
Pear
give me
means to cut. Pear means to trim. Pear means to cut away some.
yeah. You know, like you say a pear for mango or something.
And they are the same. The mango.
Is it a pair of shoes?
No, this
No,
one
No,
is
that's
the pear of two.
PAIR.
Trim or cut away something.
Yeah. So you're basically peeling it or something. You know, like you say you pear up your gig. So you're cutting off pieces, small pieces and so. So it's the same thing. Alright. So it's very important to know these. So guys, ensure that you go through what's the book called, the Junior English Revised? Ensure that you know synonyms, antonyms.
Yes, sir. I have that book, sir.
Yeah, go through it as much as possible. Because you never know what they might bring. They might just surprise you. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I think it's Big's times to read now.
My turn to read now.
I want another person to hear.
So can I read?
Alright, so Biggs,
paragraph
you do
one.
this one, and then Kira
I
will
can't
do
do paragraph.
You want the two?
Sir, can I do passage?
Yes,
Sir, I actually
two, please.
Oh, Kira had volunteer for this one already.
Sir, I asked before Kira.
Queen Lisa typed in the chat that she wants to do.
But Jenny, when she just said before you, when she said before you, so oh God. All right, tell you what, it was you split that one here. So Kira will read come to here, and then Jenny finish. This passage is longer anyway. So three person, Briggs will read this one, Kira, and then Jenny. We're gonna do more paper, guys. It's just that we're not gonna do it today, but everybody will get an opportunity as long as they're willing to read.
The history of pizza begins in the distant past when various Asian cultures produced basic flatbreads with several toppings. Modern pizza developed in Naples,
What about the
Italy.
first pizza?
The first pizza was probably made by Italians. Modern pizza developed in Naples, Italy. When tomato and toppings were added, the flatbread in the late 18th century. Taglinos played an important role in the development of pizza.
No, man.
It does not say.
Kira is gonna read this part, and then Jenny, and then if anybody else want to volunteer, because we have time.
Me, sir.
All right, so Chedu will read this part that Biggs just.
Sasha said, can I please read, sir? And I, never mind.
So you don't want to read, Jenny?
Question. Sir, can I read the question, please?
Oh, when you reach it. Yeah, man, not a problem. So Kira, go your time now.
Bami is a traditional Jamaican cassava flatbread descended from the simple flatbread eaten by Taínos, Jamaica's original inhabitant.
Thanks so much. Jenny,
Sir, Kali, to everyone. Can I read the questions, please?
oh, it's in the chat. I didn't see it. All right, Khalid. So you can read 20. Jenny, you're up next.
Bammies have been consumed long before Columbus came to Jamaica. It is made from cassava flour. It is believed that Bammy was first prepared and eaten by native Taínos.
All right, very good. All right. So
Yeah.
Cheduko, you're gonna read back passage one.
The history of pizza begins in the distant past when various ascent cultures produced. What did you say, sir?
Oh, ancient cultures.
Asian culture produced base flatbreads with several toppings. The first pizza was probably made in Italians. Modern pizza developed in Naples, Italy, when tomato and toppings were added to the flatbread in the late 18th century.
All right. You don't have to be nervous, man. Good job.
Second,
Here you say in, but it's by. Just relax, man. Here, guys, we're all friends here, so you don't have to be nervous. Just take your time and read. All right. Good job.
Okay, sir. Can I answer the question for pizza now? Can Briggs answer?
I read question.
No, it's my question. I read the first passage, so I want to answer the question because I read that passage.
All right, go ahead.
The Taínos played an important role in the development of pizza. No, the Taínos played. No, it's not false. It's not false. It's cannot tell. We cannot tell that, sir. We cannot tell that because
Based on the
Taínos
passage.
wasn't
Based on
mentioned.
the passage, you know.
Remember,
it's based on the passage, right?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, guys. Hold on.
Yes, sir. True, sir.
We're gonna make our conclusion based on the passage.
Mr. Ben.
So is either
Mr. Bennett,
passage 1 or 2. So you're gonna draw your conclusion based off of passage 1 or passage 2.
Passage 1 because it asks about pizza, and the answers cannot tell because in passage 1, Taínos wasn't mentioned. It was mentioned that the first pizza was probably made by Italians.
So what's your
Modern
answer?
modern pizza was developed in Naples, Italy.
Naples.
So that means it cannot tell. But it was passage 2 now would be true.
If it did say some, no, if it did say something
Hold on, guys.
Sir, all the Taínos, they just made a flatbread bammy.
Exactly.
What would be your answer, Jonathan or Ian? I think that's Ian.
False.
All right. Briggs, what's your answer?
Cannot tell. Because Taínos wasn't mentioned in the first passage, was mentioned in the second passage.
But did the question say that the answer must come from passage 1?
Sir, I think it's
So why are you saying it's because you're basing everything on passage 1 only? It's supposed to be the 2 passages, right? You can make
no, sir, because it says the Taíno played an important role in the development of pizza.
And
passage 1 is talking about pizza, not passage 2.
Listen to how you must read the question. Is it true or false, or you cannot tell that the Taínos played an important role in the development of the pizza based on these 2 passages, passage 1 and passage 2? You understand? That's how you should look at it.
Sir, I say it's false.
Because they didn't say anything
Sir,
about
false.
the tenors in passage 1.
Let me
False.
two other passages because since there are two passages and it asks if the tenors play an important role in development. In passage 2, it did told us that the tenors played a role in the Bami. So it told us that the tenors played a role in the Bami. So we know that they didn't play a role in the development of pizza. They played a role in the
Exactly.
Bami. So that would be false, not cannot tell, because it give us information in passage 2 and passage 1 too. Also, if you have to use both of the passages, you can't just use one because that wouldn't be correct because they are both passages provided.
Read the
Thank
passage
you.
I read.
I agree with Kira, guys. We cannot just limit it to just one passage. It have to be both of them. So in the exam, if they give you the two passages, it's based on the two passages, not just one. All right.
Excuse
So
me.
I would say it's false also.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
You see in passage 1, it also tells us in the second paragraph, it says the first pizza was probably made by Italians because that it means that they play an important role.
Who play an important role?
The Italians.
Okay. I thought you were saying that the Thanos plays an important role. But guys, as Kira was saying, we have to use both passages. We can't just limit it to one. You see, if they had said in passage 1, that tells us that, then we could limit it to that alone. But it did not say we should limit it to passage 1. It's both of them. All right. So we have to read both of them and answer the question based on both of them. All right. So that I would say that was false, even though Sydney had said it cannot tell. You see, if they didn't give us any information about pizza,
Kali wants to read number 20.
then we could have said that, okay, yeah. All right. And these guys, ensure that you read these passages more than once, all right? That's why I make more than one person read, because read them at least 3 times. You will have enough time. All right, 20. Who had asked, what text in the group and said they wanted to do 20? Please.
Not the group, the chat. Kali.
Yeah, that person. That text. I didn't see it. Thanks so much, Briggs, for bringing it to our attention. So go ahead.
Pizza and Bami have similar beginnings.
True. Sir,
I want to hear the person that read it answer first, guys, and then we can critique it.
Okay, sir.
So give that person Kai. How you pronounce your name? Kali? No, it's not Kali, it's Kai. Kali. Yeah, Kali. So Kali will answer first, guys, and then we can now give our input if we agree or disagree and the reason for that. But we have to give him the opportunity to answer first. All right? Go ahead.
I think true.
Why true? What's the reason behind it?
Sir, can I explain why I said true?
Yeah, Ian, but wait, no, Ian, you have to give him a chance, guys. You know it already. We cannot. We have to give persons opportunity. We can't rush learning. Learning cannot be rushed now, guys. Give him time to think, read back the passage, and then tell us why he says true. If he say false, he still have to give you the reason. But cannot tell, still have to give you the reason.
Sir, I chose false.
Yeah, Aiden, but we want him to give us the answer first, and then we critique it.
Yes.
I think true because they both have flatbread in it. and that's why I think so.
Okay, all right. So Aiden,
Sir, can I study why now?
Yes, sir.
Aiden,
Yeah.
I know Ian should go before Aiden, you know, but let's just take Aiden point first because Aiden says false. So since he's going up against true, what's your reason for saying false, Aiden?
Sir, I say false because the question says, can you go back to the question, please,
Yeah, that's
sir?
what I'm doing.
Pizza and bami have similar meanings.
Not meaning.
Beginnings.
Yeah,
Beginning, sorry.
Yeah, all right.
And then it says,
Sir Sinclair had his hand
and
up
then
a
it
while.
says the first pizza was probably made by the Italians. And then when you go to Patrick's shoe, it said bami is a traditional Jamaican cassava flatbread designed from this simple flatbread eaten by the Taínos. So the Taínos ate it, but it's from Jamaica. But it says bami is a traditional Jamaican cassava.
All right. But when they say
Lisa
similar,
has her hand
are
up.
they talking place in particular or do they have anything in common? I think that's what they're referring to, you know. Is there anything in common with the
No,
both
sir.
with the bami
No,
and the pizza?
Yes, sir.
What is common, Ian? Explain.
Sir, that both of them are flatbread. They might come from
Sir,
different countries.
Lisa's hand is up.
Both of them are flatbread.
All right, let us see if we see anything about flatbread in there. Bami is a traditional Jamaica cassava flatbread descended from the simple flatbread eaten by Taínos. So I would agree that both of them have that in common. What do you think, Aiden? The place is different, you know. I agree with that. You said one is basically Jamaica, and they didn't say Italy. Italy, they say, yeah, Naples in Italy. So yeah, the place is different. However, they have something in common in the beginning.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
When it says when it says similarity, it's saying that the same.
Yeah, but in terms of what? Do you
In
think that the
terms of
place
the
alone matters?
pizza.
Like for example,
bami.
suppose I say, hold on guys, suppose I say KFC, I forgot pay me for the ad here. Suppose I say if is KFC in Jamaica similar to KFC in USA? No. Would that be a true statement?
No, sir.
false. False.
No, sir, because they don't
Because
make the
use
same
different
type of chicken.
They could use different recipes to make the KFC in US and KFC in Jamaica.
So guys, they don't have anything in common.
They're the same companies.
Yes, they do, sir.
Yeah, yes.
They have the same name.
It's fries, barbecue chicken, same chicken business. So yeah,
Spicy.
we don't want to just limit to the place alone. Similarities does not limit us to the place alone, right? It can be that, as they say, it's flatbread. Both of them is the flatbread thing it coming from. So I would say I agree with Kai. Alright. So everybody agree that it's true or persons do this?
I agree that is true.
Yeah, it is true. Because look at it, guys. If you read both passages, then you will get the answer. So it said the history of pizza began in the distant past when various ancient cultures produced basic flatbreads with several toppings. And then the next one said bami is a traditional Jamaican cassava flatbread descended from the simple flatbread eaten by the Taínos, Jamaica's original inhabitants. So definitely the first paragraph I would say similar. with the flatbread piece in maize. All right, guys. So we reached number 20. Reached number 20 already. So that I agree, Kai. That's true.
Sir, can we do an extra one, sir, please?
All right. Let us see if we can do one. 21 says we did this already.
Select the numbers.
Select
that
the
comes
number
next.
that comes next in the sequence.
Sir, and the answer is 48.
Explain.
Sir, because see, first, you're going to say 6 plus 6, that equal 12. 12 plus 8, that equal 20. 20 plus 6, that equal 26. 26 plus 8, that equals to 34. 34 plus 6, that equals to 40. And 40 plus 8, that equals to 48.
Okay. So you're saying the add 6, then the add 8, then the add 6, then the add 8. And that is true throughout the entire sequence. I agree. Let's see if we can get in one more, guys. So we can be just like for the morning class stuff.
Can I do the next one?
All right, no problem. You said so. Go ahead, read it and tell us, and then we will say if we agree or disagree.
The numbers in each diagram below follow the same rule. Use the first 3 diagrams to help you find the missing number in the 4th diagram. My answer is 12.
Explain. What you got to?
It's 12 because for the other 3 diagrams, you have to multiply the 2 sides to get the last one.
Yeah, saying 2, 5, 10. All right. Four 7 28. Remember, are you here talking, not me? And 9 8 7. So how you got 12 now?
Because 11 times 12 equal 132.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I agree with her. I agree.
Okay, all right.
Yes, she's
I
right.
agree as well.
I agree.
All right, good job. Because if we can get in one more, guys. One more. So
Yes, sir.
Yay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
23.
And sir, the answer is 2B.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer is 2.
I think it's A.
I think it's B.
Sir, the answer is 2B.
All right. Oh, you got,
think
oh, you
it's
got
B.
2. Explain how you got 2.
Sir, it's
Sir, the
because
reason why I got 2 is because at first 6 over 7, because basically 7 is the denominator. So basically in the square, they just say the numerator. 7 over 7, that is 1. So that represents 1. And now 14 over 7. So that's an improper fraction. So we divide 14 divided by 7, that equals to 2. So that's why I got my 2, sir.
All right. Anybody got a different answer from 2?
no,
I think
no,
it's A.
sir.
No, sir.
Somebody says
No,
A.
sir.
Explain how you got A, which is 14 over 15. Your explanation.
Okay, because if it's a repeating, I think it's like a repeating pattern. So because it's 6 over 7, then 6 over 7, then 7 1, then 6 over 7, then 1, then the next one is gonna be, then 14 is gonna be the number on the denominator is gonna be something bigger. So 15. So A.
All right. So you're just saying that you're thinking in ascending order. So you completely ignore this? You don't think this have nothing at all?
Queen Lisa in the chat. Sir. I
All
guess she
right.
wants to answer.
So you're gonna just dismiss all
Sir,
of
Queen
this right
Lisa's asking to try.
All right, who wants to try? Go ahead, go ahead. But guys, would it be in ascending order though? If you have 6 over 7 and then you have 1, 14 over 15 don't reach 1, you know?
Oh. Oh yeah, because
She said she's muted.
one more on it. So
No man, unmute yourself. If you're muted, it's not me mute you. Everybody can unmute themselves and talk.
So in this case, I think the 7 represent 1 4, so the 14 is going to represent 2.
Yeah, because it's 14 divided by 7. I agree that it's 2. But I just wanted to see the reason behind 14 over 50. Alright guys. So guys, we're gonna end for today. Great job, great job. I will send you guys the video. For those who are not in the group, just inbox me. And I will
Sir.
bye, sir.
Bye guys.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Alright guys, take care.
Yes, sir.
Continue to be awesome guys. See you guys soon, alright?
Excuse me,
Sir,
sir.
Send
Can
the
you
video.
put my name in the group, please? My phone number in the group, please.
No man, I didn't mute anybody guys. Everybody can unmute themselves.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah man, go ahead, Ian.
Can you put my phone number in the group, please?
Yeah man, that's what I'm saying. Just text me and say, add me to the group so I know. I'm gonna do that right now. And then I send it to the group. And then I'm gonna also send the soft copy again. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Alright, take care,
Sir, can
Jeremiah.
I tell you my phone number?
Just inbox me. But if
Okay.
you WhatsApp me, not on this, you know. Just WhatsApp me.